What if you could keep your Silicon Valley paycheck, but trade traffic and noise for vineyards and mountain trails and a true small town community, 20-ish miles south of downtown San Jose? Welcome to Morgan Hill. I'm gonna show you who moves here, what it costs, and the one commuters gotcha locals warn about, and how to avoid it. Hi, my name is Caroline Hobbs, your South Bay Realtor with Rise Real Estate Group. I help families and professionals relocate across Santa Clara County. If you're new here, subscribe for my weekly Bay Area living guides and neighborhood tours. First off, Silicon Valley access without feeling like you're in it. Morgan Hill sits on the southern end of Santa Clara Valley, roughly 20-ish miles south of downtown San Jose, and about 10 to 12 miles south from San Jose's southern edge in Coyote Valley. Translation, you're close to the jobs, but far enough away so that you can have a little breath. There's a Caltrain station right in the middle of downtown with weekday commute hour service to San Jose and San Francisco. Great for hybrid workers who can time their peak hour trains. The average commute for locals is around 35 minutes, so plan your hours and rail options to make that work for your lifestyle. In a minute, I'll share the #1 commute pitfall and a simple planning tip to avoid it. Jobs and local employers. Many residents work across Silicon Valley, but Morgan Hill also has a real employer base. Specialized Bicycle Components has its headquarters here, and advanced manufacturing names like Anritsu, Paramit, Tory Advanced Composites, Mission Bell, Marquee Microwave, and more contribute to a growing local economy. The city even curates a running list of employers hiring here in Morgan Hill. Handy if you're wanting a shortened commute. Now, the outdoor lifestyle cannot be beat. Right above town is Henrico State Park. It is the largest state park in Northern California with over 87,000 acres of trails, ridgelines, and backcountry. It's like having your own national park backyard. On the Valley Floor, Coyote Valley Open Space Preserve brings rolling green hills and a mellow 4-mile arrowhead loop perfect for after-work resets. Anderson Reservoir has limited recreation during this long-term seismic retrofit project. It's a safety upgrade and water supply investment for the entire region. Now, wine and weekends, they just go together. And yes, this is definitely wine country. Morgan Hill sits right in the middle of the Santa Clara Valley AVA, with local tasting rooms like Kerrigan Cellars, which are family run and great for a low-key weekend. Think wine country without the 2-hour drive. Morgan Hill is known for our community events and downtown vibe. Downtown's calendar is busy. Summer Friday night music series brings everyone out. Freedom Fest over 4th of July weekend brings one of South Bay's biggest hometown celebrations. Expect farmers markets on weekends, wine strolls, and holiday parades. It is walkable and super family friendly. Did I mention our schools and higher education access? Here in Morgan Hill, you're served by the Morgan Hill Unified School District with Ansobrado and Live Oak as the two main high schools, and a mix of AP and career technical pathways. For college access, San Jose State, Santa Clara University, Stanford, and a robust community college network are all within range. There's even Gavilan College's Coyote Valley Center just up the road. Here in Morgan Hill, there's definitely healthcare that's nearby. Locally, DePaul Health Center in Morgan Hill offers urgent care clinics, and St. Louis Regional Hospital is a short hop down 101 down in Gilroy. Both part of the Santa Clara Valley healthcare system. Larger systems in San Jose are within a typical commute. As far as what it costs, as value and prices hover near $1.3 million, it's not cheap, but many buyers find more space for the dollar than in North Valley areas like San Jose and Sunnyvale. Always check current comps. The market moves quickly. The median household income here is about $160,000, and owner occupancy rates run above 70%. That's a quick way that you can grasp the area's potential. Why people say they love living here. Our neighborhood forums, you'll repeatedly see people mentioning how beautiful Morgan Hill is, how family friendly it is, the nature, quiet trees, plus shout outs to the food scene and the vineyards. That's everyday feel most people are chasing. Now, the one one thing that residents love to complain about is commute timing. 101 can snarl at peak, and Caltrain service here is spotty. So is Morgan Hill right for you? If you want small town energy, wine weekends, big sky trails, and a commute path to your job centers, it's really gonna be hard to beat. If you're moving here in the next 12 months, grab my free Morgan Hill relocation guide and a 15-minute consultation in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Caroline Hobbs, and I'll catch you in the next one.